Over the past 6 months, vibe coding has grown rapidly in popularity. Today, even people with no programming experience can build simple AI agents using platforms like Claude. The user simply enters a well-structured prompt in natural language. Claude then automatically designs the user interface and generates the corresponding agent logic. Claude can also enable the agent to connect to products like yours using MCP. In short, your customers and solution partners can create their own AI agents and integrate them directly with your SaaS application via MCP. In this video, we show how one of your customers could create a procurement agent built through vibe coding with Claude and demonstrate how they then connect it to your SaaS application using an embedded Cyclr MCP PaaS platform. For the sake of this video, we assume your SaaS is a financial application. Let's take a quick look at how the agent would work. The agent communicates directly with your SaaS application and extracts purchase orders and item details based on the user's questions. The user can then ask the agent to perform a comparison search for similar products at better prices by connecting to Firecrawl through MCP. The agent then identifies the lowest price from other online vendors and asks the user for permission to update the purchasing manager by email. It then generates and sends the corresponding email to the purchase manager, who can then take action. Looking at this diagram, you can see that the procurement agent connects to different SaaS applications through MCP. For Firecrawl, the API endpoint and connection are simple, and the agent communicates directly through Firecrawl's own MCP server. However, your SaaS application may be more complex with multiple endpoints. In this case, it is good practice to set up a configured MCP server that securely exposes only the necessary API methods to the agent. This capability is exactly what Cyclr's MCP PaaS helps you build quickly and without any hassle. Cyclr's MCP PaaS enables you to deliver a customer-facing embedded MCP marketplace directly within your SaaS application, allowing your customers to activate an MCP server inside your application with a single click. Imagine your customer is vibe coding and wants to enable an MCP connection to your SaaS platform. All they need to do is visit your built-in marketplace, fully embedded in your application and styled to match your brand. The customer selects the desired MCP server and enables it instantly. The embedded MCP PaaS then automatically generates the required URL, client ID, and client secret using OAuth 2.0 authentication. This information can be entered into Claude, allowing the agent to establish an MCP connection to your SaaS application. Behind the scenes, the MCP server is installed and deployed into a customer-specific account within Cyclr's multi-tenant architecture. Once the agent captures or sends information to your SaaS application, all transactions generated through the MCP connection are recorded in audit trails for transparency and control. When using the MCP PaaS, you can create multiple configured MCP servers based on different function or usage. You may choose, for example, to disable high-risk endpoints, such as deleting a purchase order, as shown here. If you'd like to enable your customers or solution providers to connect your SaaS application to agents and offer a suite of configured MCP servers, then please feel free to get in touch. We look forward to connecting with you. See you next time.